vai toma toma, vai toma toma, vai toma toma,
I'm just gonna record all this. This is pretty
and
interesting.
People.
I'm gonna record this. This is pretty interesting.
Hello, children of children.
Accept that? Why not?
I'm in
Don't
I
shove
know
the
the
book in my
cupboard.
face.
You want some pancakes? Cause I know you want it. I got pancakes, but it's on my ass.
Oh. It's okay. It's okay. Ouch.
Brick thrower, where are you?
Hi,
Where are you,
Kelly.
Big Thrower? Where is
Hi. Give me the microphone. No, bro.
Brick thrower, I can't find you.
Uh,
Hell
Hell no.
Come here.
hey, Foxy.
You're on camera, huh?
Stop it. Come here.
What?
Got you.
I have puppy in my arms right now.
Oh, you have puppy. Hello, puppy. Hello, puppy.
I have a puppy in my arms.
Never mind, I think I see him.
Okay.
I could have a dog in my arms right now. You're on camera. What do you
No,
have to
don't
say?
put me on camera. Okay, Mom.
What do you have to say?
Boomer,
What
are
do you
you
have to say?
twerking?
I'm
to say?
recording you.
No, I'm choking.
Are you twerking?
No, I'm recording
It
you.
looks like
What do
you're
you
I'm
have to say?
recording you, and I'm gonna post on YouTube. So you better step in. I'm
No.
recording you. I'm recording you. I'm
No.
recording you. I'm
No,
recording
you're
you.
not.
Yeah, huh? I'm recording you.
No.
Fuck you.
Dang
Here,
it.
got you. Here.
Yo.
Okay, if that lands on, you decide.
that?
Decide.
You, I won't.
Okay, you have
Some
to
weird
tell
guy
me
who
what-
tried to be a pedophile.
Oh, hey,
Shut the hell up.
where'd he go?
Whoa, whoa.
Where are you going, man?
I wanna slap
Watching
the.
it. Are you a pedophile?
Okay, no, why?
Yeah, he is.
No,
he
no,
is.
that's not me.
I
You're
don't
looking
really
at
like
that guy. That's the guy. That's the guy. That's
It's
the guy.
him,
There's
it's
a
him.
reason he's
He's
getting
all
out of the
bring
shadow.
it.
He's the
Pedophile.
shadow.
It's him, it's him.
I'm recording.
Oh, wow. Okay,
I'm
that's my
recording this
bad, man.
bitch.
I didn't mean to let him go.
Bro, like, how does he run so fast?
For real, he's in the bathroom.
Hey, I have a question. Hey, I have a question. Can you come here?
Yeah, what's up?
Can you come here? Yeah, come. Can you follow me?
Okay.
Well, wait, I thought you said you're not supposed to be in your VR.
I never said
You
that.
wanna do something strange for a piece of
Oh,
cheese?
not
that's
supposed to be on the VR.
Bro,
That's
Bro, shut up. This is an interesting video to post on YouTube. This is very interesting.
Post,
This is an-
take pictures. Take pictures.
Okay.
I tried to make it better, okay?
I'm getting pictures on my Oculus right now.
Whole video, like, you know.
That's what I'm doing right now. I'm recording.
Alright, that's good. That's good too.
I'm posting this on YouTube.
Yeah, you
How do you
should.
feel about yourself?
I wanna do that again. That was funny.
What's your YouTube
That's
channel?
really wide
I'm
open.
not telling you. Do you regret your decision?
Yeah, me really loves that country, you
Not
pedophile.
really.
You got me stuck. This is gonna be an interesting video.
It's so deep.
Bro, please send me some of it. Oh my lord.
I better blur this out of my video. Yeah, no, I'm gonna look away. I'm posting this for kids! I need to put an age restriction on this video now.
Yeah, come back,
look.
look what you doing.
No?
You likes it.
What is going on?
I'm getting kind of sad. I get my hand a workout.
I'm dealing with too much.
Oh my lord.
So am I. This is too much.
Is he in here? Is Brick Thrower in
Yeah,
here?
he likes it. He likes it.
What?
Take pictures.
I'm recording this
What's
instead.
happening?
Welcome back to another video on what the fuck is going on, part 2.
Oh, now you're recording. Now you're recording too. You got 2 people recording you, sir.
No.
You're gonna be on
Holy
YouTube.
shit. Holy shit, I'm sending this to the group chat. It's over. Let me.
Oh, I'm
get in
recording
here.
this guy.
Hey, yo.
This is gonna be the most funniest video I ever posted.
Are you
In the
okay,
SpongeBob
bro?
shorts. This is gonna be so funny.
Come on, let's go home. Okay.
He doesn't want to stop. He likes it.
He's a freak.
I think there's something happening to you too.
Just use the other side.
Whoa.
Oh god,
Whoa.
get the
Whoa,
bro! Don't go
oh,
under me,
God.
jerk,
Jerk.
bro. Do not go under
I
me.
would touch you too, pedophile.
But
I need blue.
Stop. Who's putting that? Stop.
He wants it.
What is he trying to do? I'm getting shoved into the wall. I just got shoved out of the world. I just got shoved out of the world. Oh no.
Get away, get away, get away, get away. Oh,
Oh god, gosh dang it.
oh, he left, he left.
Shadow, you're getting kicked. Okay, I need to join back.